Namaste and welcome to the next episode of Clinical Ayurved. Myself, Dr. Mayuresh Agte. We were discussing a very important topic that how you will identify and confirm the Rasa Vipak Virya of new food products like pizza, etc., which people consume in daily life and they have their effect of these food products on the health. In that regards, we have discussed about Rasa Nishtiti, we have discussed about Vipaka Nishtiti, and now in today's episode we will move on towards the Virya Nishtiti of such products. Now, what are the rules for the Virya Nishtiti? First is Nipar. What it means when any dravya comes in the contact with the tongue or the skin, you can find whether it is Shita Virya or Ushna Virya. For example, mirchi, hingu, like dravya which are Ushna Virya, when we eat on the tongue gets a tingling sensation, a hotness, so we can identify, even if you apply this on the skin, you can find the hotness. So after coming in the contact with the skin or the tongue, rasana, nipata, you can identify whether it is ushna virya or whether it is the shita virya. Okay, so when you eat the amalki, you will find the soothing effect, you will find cooling effect, and burning will be reduced if there is any mouth, or apply it on the burning skin and you will find that you are getting the cooling effect, so you can confirm that it is Shita Viryatma Dravya. So first rule of the Viryanishiti is when the Dravya comes in contact with the skin or rasana, jiva. Then Viryam Yavat Adhivasa. It means that any Dravya, you can analyze its virya until its existence in the body by the effect of that dravya. I will give you an example. If you eat the lanka or any spices in a very large quantity, spicy food, what happens when you eat? You find it is a very hot, spicy, tingling sensation. So Ushna Guna are experience. When that food products goes inside the body, you will find burning in the stomach, you will find burning in the intestines. On the next day, you will find burning during urination or defecation. And when that dravya is passed outside the body through urine, sweat, or even through the purisha, after its expulsion from the body, all these symptoms will be reduced. But until it gets expelled, its presence in the body will show this burning effect on the various parts of the GI tract, or even you will have profuse sweating also because of Ushna Guna. What it means, you find that if you have eaten hingu or lanka like that, you find Tishna Ushna Guna when you have eaten or tasted it. So you have the first rule of analyzing this virya of some dravya or fruit product which is hot in nature. And when you consume it, if you find burning sensations throughout the body until it gets expelled out through any way, you can denote that this food product which I have eaten as of Ushna Virya. Same on the contrary, if it has got Shita Virya, you will get Ladhanam, Jivanam Stambhan, the Rakta Stambhan, cooling effect, soothing effect, burning will be reduced, Sadaha, Malapravrutti, Mutrapravrutti, etc. will be nullified, because that food product which is not mentioned in the text has got Shita Virya. So when such a food product is consumed, you can analyze its virya by its effect in the body until that dravya is in existence in the body. So whenever a new food product is comes in our food, you have to ask the patient what he has felt after consuming that particular food products. Now it depends on the patient's consciousness or jnapakatva, that he tells you exactly what he ate and what was its effect. On that basis, you can analyze the rasa, vipak, virya of that new food product which is not mentioned in the text. So, though they are not such pizzas, even you can analyze the other lakshana also. If it is heavy for digestion, if it is light for digestion, if it has produced in amanirmiti or admana, etc., or it has created some loose motions, vomiting. So you can analyze other guna, gurvadi guna of these food products by their action seen in the body of the patient. Now, I will put a different topic in front of you. In any seminars and conferences or in the paper articles, you will always find one line common, that there should be research in Ayurveda. What it means, are we going to research and found the fourth dosha or eight dhatu or something else? No. Or six rasa, virya, they will all remain same. The principles of Ayurveda are so shashvat that they are really unchangeable and they are time tested. So what research means in this era, which is really required, is research of these food products and their effect on the body, whether it is positive or negative. And hence, in my opinion, this is the area where all Vaidya research institutes, colleges should focus on, how you will distinguish these modern dravya food products and how you will analyze them in the rasa, vipak, virya, prabhav theory. And this research, will all of Vaidya or all faculty of Ayurveda comes together and say, everyone will analyze, for example, bread in your clinic and have a record of the patients, their effect, what patients said after consuming that. If every one of us, it's a very simple thing, every one of these Vaidyas or Ayurveda faculty people do it for 1 month, 2 months, for taking one food product at a time for the study, we will get data of thousands of patients in a very short period. So if 1000 data are available after consuming bread, then we can analyze on statistical basis that about 1700 got it Ushnavirya, thought Shitavirya, found heavy for digestion, found easy for digestion, etc. etc. So on that basis, on that data, we can finalize that bread is of amuk rasa, vipak, virya, and also if any prabhav seen in the patients. So in my opinion, this is a very main era which is really required for the as a research. See, we have in Ayurveda they have taught only about the food products which are mentioned or which were available at that time, and all of them are Indian tradition food. But now in the global world, if a patient comes from Europe, US, Africa, they have totally different habit of food which is not mentioned or any similarities in the text which we learn. So we have to think that food products and their effects totally separately and very very keenly. So such a research will help to analyze such food products and their effect on the body. So the Vaidyas can use this data for the treatment as a hetu, as a pathya, or by any way. So rasa, vipak, virya, nishchiti, by rule of Ayurveda, I have hypothetically discussed in front of you. Now in practical way, all Vaidya, all Ayurveda faculty should come together and do the work in finalizing the rasa vipak virya prabhav if seen of such food products. Thank you very much.